Ladies and gentlemen, if you're facing problem with your Just Eat application and it's not working, this might be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. Let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is try to force close your Just Eat application and try relaunching it. If that doesn't work, you might need to check your connectivity. Simply try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection. Try to toggle on and off your airplane mode to give it a quick refresh and make sure that VPN is always turned off. If that is not the case and you're still facing a problem, it might also be device settings. Simply go into your settings, go to general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and then reset network settings and reset all settings. Once you've done so, everything should be fixed. If it still isn't, then simply go ahead and try to uninstall and reinstall the application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.